Think your daily eggs are harmless? What if I told you that one small mistake in your egg routine could be making you sick, especially if you're over 60? Stay tuned to learn what you're doing wrong and how to fix it. Eggs are a staple in many of our kitchens. They're affordable, versatile, and packed with protein. But did you know that how you store, cook, or even handle your eggs can have serious health consequences? This is especially important for seniors, whose immune systems might not bounce back as quickly from food-related illnesses. Today, we'll dive into the egg mistakes that could be making you sick, backed by research and real-life examples. By the end, you'll have a clear plan to protect yourself and your loved ones from potential risks, without giving up the egg dishes you love. From salmonella outbreaks to nutrient loss, there are common errors many of us make without even realizing it. And while eggs have long been celebrated as a nutritional powerhouse, improper practices can turn them into a hidden health hazard. In the next few minutes, we're going to break down the top mistakes, explore why they happen, and what you can do to enjoy your eggs safely. One of the simplest mistakes is not checking the expiration date on your egg carton. Eggs that are past their prime may seem okay at first glance, but they can harbor bacteria like salmonella. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has warned about the risks associated with eating expired eggs, especially for seniors who are more vulnerable to food poisoning. Always look for the sell-by or expiration date when you're at the store, and again at home before use. Ever wondered if your refrigerator is doing enough? Eggs should be kept in their original carton on an inside shelf rather than in the door. The temperature in the door fluctuates with every opening, which can encourage bacterial growth. Studies from food safety experts suggest that proper refrigeration is key to keeping eggs fresh and safe. For example, a study by the University of Nebraska found that consistent cold temperatures slow down the process of bacterial growth, which is particularly important for older adults. Many of us enjoy our eggs soft-cooked or runny, but undercooked eggs can be a risk factor. When eggs aren't cooked all the way, harmful bacteria may survive. This is a common mistake in dishes like sunny-side-up or soft-boiled eggs. While some people love the texture of runny yolks, it's important for seniors to opt for fully cooked eggs to lower the risk of infection. Research published by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention emphasizes the need to cook eggs until both the whites and yolks are firm to ensure food safety. Imagine slicing an egg and then using that same knife to cut up salad without washing it first. That's a recipe for disaster. Cross-contamination is one of the sneakiest ways bacteria can spread in your kitchen. Bacteria from raw eggs can easily transfer to other foods if you're not careful. A case study reported in the Journal of Food Protection showed that improper handling of eggs led to several outbreaks of foodborne illness. Simple steps like using separate utensils or thoroughly washing your hands after handling eggs can make a big difference. Your method of cooking matters. Frying eggs in oil at too high a temperature can create harmful compounds called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, which have been linked to chronic inflammation and other health issues. Boiling, poaching, or scrambling at moderate temperatures is a safer alternative. A report from Harvard Health Publishing explains that cooking at lower temperatures not only preserves nutrients, but also minimizes the formation of these potentially harmful substances. Not all eggs are created equal for every body type. If you have specific health conditions like high cholesterol or cardiovascular issues, your doctor might advise you to limit your egg consumption. While eggs are a great source of protein and other nutrients, moderation is key. Research from the American Heart Association shows that for some individuals, especially those with pre-existing conditions, too many eggs might lead to complications. Always consult your doctor about your diet, particularly if you're a senior with underlying health issues. With more people switching to egg substitutes for health reasons, many think they're automatically the safer choice. However, some substitutes contain additives or are heavily processed, which might not be ideal for everyone. While they can be a good option if you're avoiding cholesterol, they may not provide the same nutritional benefits as whole eggs. A study from the Journal of Nutrition highlighted that natural eggs contain a balance of proteins, vitamins, and minerals that are hard to match in processed alternatives. It's all about balance. Know your options and choose wisely. To wrap it up, here's a quick recap of the egg mistakes that could be putting your health at risk, especially as you get older. First, always check the expiration date, a simple habit that can keep dangerous bacteria at bay. Next, store your eggs properly in the refrigerator, away from the fluctuating temperatures of the door. When cooking, ensure your eggs are fully cooked to destroy any harmful bacteria. Prevent cross-contamination by keeping raw eggs separate from other foods, and use proper utensils and hygiene practices. Also, be mindful of how you cook your eggs. Lower temperatures are safer and help preserve nutrients. Finally, listen to your body and consult your doctor if you have health concerns, and don't just rely on substitutes without knowing their ingredients. By following these steps, you can keep enjoying eggs as a part of your healthy diet without the worry of getting sick. These tips are backed by solid research and expert recommendations, and they're simple enough to add to your daily routine. If you found these tips useful, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Share it with friends or family members who might benefit from these insights. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. Stay safe and take care of yourself. Until next time. This video was all about making your everyday eggs work for you rather than against you. It's not about taking away a food you love, but simply making sure you're handling it in the best way possible for your health. With these tips, you're now equipped to avoid common mistakes that could be making you sick. Thanks for watching.